Well, my name is Gregory, and a lot to do. Drawings and paintings and cooking and music and tra-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la. Well, hey there, team. Time to wrap this here painting up. But first, we gotta do a little bit of housekeeping, so go ahead and take it.
Oh, well, hello there. I'm Greg, and I like to paint stuff. Hit that like button if you like what you see, and don't forget to subscribe if you have not already. If you have subscribed, then we'd like to say thank you very much for watching. Alright, back to you, Greg.
Woo! There. It's true, though. Hook it up if you dig it. But for now, let's hop into this here painting. So, I was working off an idea, and of course, fans of the show know that Dracula likes to stop by and cause all sorts of problems. Nope, no, not today. Take your bat wing and your thirst and shove off! Thank you very much, sir. Harsh but fair tonight, okay. Well, spooky painting, I like it very much. Who cares? Anyway, the palace looks fine. I think it needs more though, so I'm gonna go ahead and throw a gate and wall in. Makes it look foreboding, I think. Man, I'm running out of ideas. I hate that. So many out there, but none I can really get behind, you know what I'm saying? That sucks when that happens. Everyone gets in a slump. When I do, I take some time and take a look at the canvas and let it speak to me.
Hey Greg, what's going on, man? Great painting, brother. What's the plan?
Well, early in this painting, I was feeling pumped. But now, I look at it and I'm feeling stumped. There is a whole lot of space that castle did not fill. And I can't think of anything that, fits the bill.
First off,
Yeah?
chill. I hear you, man. Now listen to me. What this painting needs is a big ass tree. Don't put it in the middle. That would ruin the scene. Use the golden ratio. You know what I mean? This painting is dark, man. It fills me with dread. I'll be thinking about it later when I'm freaking out in bed. However, that being said, it's cool you're taking risks and going where others dare not tread. Scary, spooky painting, perfect on this Day of the Dead.
Man, that's cool. I'm glad you're picking up what I'm throwing down. You've given me the confidence that by myself, I would have never found.
That's crazy, man. Did you hear what you said? I thought you knew. This was all in your head.
What? Whoa. You guys heard him, right? Damn. Well, not the first time I lost my mind. I just don't want to get kicked by a mule in the head again to get right. That sucks. I tasted green and pink for a week. What does that even mean? It's cool. It's alright, Canvas Man. I appreciate your advice. It was straight to the point, pithy, and precise. Yeah, the tree is coming in good and looking neat. And a few ticks, this painting will be complete. Aha, yeah. I'm a poet and didn't even realize that I was one. Woo! So, moving on. The rest of this here painting is me putting in some fine details. A little brick action on the castle never hurt nobody. Nothing crazy though, or too radical. I mean, the painting is near done. I don't want to get quote-unquote creative and blow all the work I've put in thus far. Well, sometimes I do, but not this time. I thought about putting a bat in, or maybe an evil pumpkin, but nah. He's cool as is, I think. But what do y'all think? Do you love it? Do you hate it? Do you think something in between? Either way, Cool. Let me know, would ya? The comment section is wide open. You know, as I put the final few touches on this painting, I would just like to say, thanks for an amazing year and thanks for watching. I hope you come back again and enjoy more silliness. I tried doing serious videos, but they are boring! So this is what I came up with. Hopefully I entertain you because I got news. I am entertaining myself, and it's always better to have a friend. And I think that is enough for today. I think this painting is finito. Thoughts? Comments? Let me know and let her rip. As for me, I'm going to the house. For Studio 214, I'm Greg. Thanks for watching, everyone. See you next time.